One view, that's how it started. Not 1,000, not 100, just one. But that one view, that was enough. Enough to make me believe that maybe, just maybe, this dream was worth it. I remember refreshing the screen all night, waiting, watching, hoping. Some days it stayed at 0. Some days it said 2 views, but every view was a reason to keep going, because even when no one else showed up, I did, and that was the first step to success. Success doesn't start when the world believes in you. It starts when you start to believe in yourself, when you're still invisible, when you're still doubting, when all you've got is faith and a broken screen mobile phone and not even a laptop. I didn't know editing. I didn't have a mic. I didn't even know how to create thumbnails. But I had pain. I had a reason. And I had nothing left to lose in life. I started 3 faceless YouTube channels. No face, no voice, just value, no shortcuts, no hacks, no viral luck, just showing up every single day. But none of it came easy. Every day I fought doubts. I fought the algorithm. I fought my own inner voice that said, "You're not good enough." And in that same year, I lost more than just views. I lost family. I lost my business. My bank balance hit 0. I had no backup, no safety net, just the quiet war inside my mind and the decision to keep building. Stretching my nights just to learn how to make videos when you are emotionally shattered by the sudden surprises of life and physically shattered of the never-ending daily chores. Because when everything around you collapses, you have a strong notion to blame the fate of karma and quit. But in that situation of life, I decided to build, learn, and implement. Each night I learned right from titles, selection of keywords, how to create thumbnails, how to do editing, which software to be used, what are the free licensed softwares which can come to my rescue, how to upload everything. I studied the platform like it was my only way out. And maybe it was, because YouTube didn't just give me a platform, it gave me a purpose. I understood that. Zrania, you are not too late, you are just too early to see the results. Every upload without views was bleeding my heart, but at the same time building my discipline. Every comment from a stranger who said, "This helped me," was building me and making my channel stand as a brand. Lately, I didn't chase viral hits. I chased value, and slowly, people started to notice. I didn't create videos for views. I created videos for someone who needed that message, that motivation, just like I needed at that point of my life. At times when life is giving you back-to-back roses, you need someone who can listen to you, hear your state of mind without being judgmental. Having few words to listen from people who can boost our motivation. And that's where I wanted to be the light of those people and started this channel, who are in deep depression, dying each minute just to resonate and accept the reality of this world. These relationships and seeking the light each day, just to hear from someone that everything will be fine one day. God is with you. I know you are in deep trouble. Mountains of sadness has heaped in your heart. I know what you've lost in life, but believe me, I am there to listen. In middle of turnover of personal life and its events, I know what it feels like to upload in silence. I know what it feels like to wait 24 hours and still see 0 views. But I also know what it feels like to wake up one morning and see 1,000 subscribers, 1,000 people who showed up because you didn't quit. Don't chase virality. Chase value. The views will follow. Everyone wants overnight success, but the truth is, success isn't overnight. It's over effort, over rejection, over belief. I was emotionally drained, financially empty, and completely alone, but I still showed up day after day, edit after edit, thumbnail after thumbnail, and slowly that consistency started building momentum. Slowly the silence started to echo with real voices, real engagement, real community. When life breaks you, it's not to destroy you. It's to build the version of you who cannot be broken. And that version of you, the one who's disciplined, resilient, and patient, that's who even YouTube rewards. Not the one who uploads once and quits. The one who keeps uploading when no one is watching. You don't need to go viral. You need to go valuable. You don't need hundreds of views. You need the courage to post when no one's watching. You need the grit to keep going when your heart's telling you to stop. You need the discipline to outlast the noise. And if you're still here, if this message speaks to something deep inside you, then you're one of us. Like this video. Hit subscribe and comment below. I'm not giving up because I see you. I was you, and I am still you. And I promise you, if you keep showing up, if you keep putting in the work, if you keep choosing progress over perfection, success won't be a matter of if, it'll be a matter of when. You started with 0. So did I. And one day, someone will look at your channel and think they made it. And all those 0 view days, they'll become your legacy. As a YouTuber, I've faced my fair share of challenges. Burnout is real, folks. The pressure to constantly create new content, to be on camera, to engage with your audience, it can be overwhelming. I know I'm not alone in feeling this way. Many creators struggle to maintain consistency, and it's easy to see why. The demands of YouTube can be suffocating at times. Content creation pressure is another hurdle. You feel like you're always playing catch up, trying to come up with the next big thing, the next viral video. And if you're not careful, you can lose yourself in the process. I've been there too. I've spent hours staring at a blank screen, trying to come up with something, anything, that would resonate with my audience. The struggle to maintain consistency is also real. You start strong, but then life gets in the way, and before you know it, you've missed a week, then 2, then 3. Your audience starts to lose interest, and you feel like you've failed. It's a vicious cycle. But what if I told you there's a way to break free from this cycle? I've been exploring this concept of faceless automation, and it's been a game changer for me. I'm using tools to streamline my content creation, to automate tasks that used to take up so much of my time. I'm not showing my face on camera, but my content is still engaging, still informative. I've been using AI-powered tools to generate ideas, to write scripts, and even to create visuals. It's amazing how much time I've been able to save. I'm not saying it's perfect, but it's definitely made my life easier. And the best part, my audience doesn't even need to see my face to connect with my content. I would be more than happy if I can help you out. If you need any help in starting a faceless YouTube channel as well, comment down below. Success is yours, friends, and the world is waiting for your magic. Have a great day ahead. Hope this story of mine was of some motivation to you to keep pushing hard in life. Almighty is with you. Remember it. Thank you. See you soon again. Bye-bye.